Today's featured car of the day is a 1971 Dodge Charger Super Bee with a Hemi and a slapstick automatic transmission. It was in the bright blue as well, so it was definitely an eye catcher. This one I recorded at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. They made 4,325 Super Bees in 1971. And out of that, 22 had the Hemi. 9 of those had the 4-speed, and 13 had the heavy-duty torque flight automatic transmission. So this guy is one of 13 made in 1971. And the other numbers with the 340 4-barrel, you had 268 automatics and 39 4-speeds. The 383 had 2,889 automatics and 766 with the 4-speed. The 440 Magnum with the 4-barrel, you had 26 made with auto and 4-speed combined. With the 440 6-pack, you had 69 automatic cars and 30 with the 4-speed. And then there was one Hemi car produced that went to Canada. So you had a total of 4,325 71 Dodge Charger Super Bees made in 1971. And as far as the Hemi went, it was engine code E74 on your trim tag, and it cost you an extra $746.50 to get the Hemi engine. It's part of the reason why they made so few of them in 71. Also, 71 was the last year that they had the Hemi. That was it for it. They didn't want to reduce the compression on it, so they just discontinued the engine for 1972. But they still, gross horsepower, they went to net horsepower ratings in 71. The gross was 425 horsepower, net was 350 horsepower, and the torque was 490 foot-pounds gross and 390 foot-pounds net. So they still had the 10.25 to 1 compression ratio. And that's today's featured car, a 1971 Dodge Charger Super Bee with a Hemi and a slapstick automatic transmission. One of 13 made in 1971 that I recorded at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. But anyway, if you made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.